We begin with news about an ecological disaster unfolding in Negril. Morass, in the tourism mecca of Westmoreland, has been burning since yesterday. Dwayne Anderson has details in this report.
Smoke rises from the wetlands in a section of Negril in Westmoreland. A fire of unknown origin has been raging since Saturday. It is an ecological disaster. President of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, says it is not the first time.
Every year, sometimes more than once per year, we do have a Morass fire. And as you know, like clockwork, we're having one again, usually during the dry season, especially when it's windy.
But worryingly, this fire has been going on for over 24 hours. In that time, the fire has spread and is now threatening surrounding properties.
It affects the natural plant life there and the animals that live there. And it does affect the function of the morass. So we're very concerned about it. It also affects while there's no real report of damage to private property, usually the effects that it has on the community is more the smoke from the fire and the soot that messes up everything, downwind of the fire.
A hotel and its guests nearby were affected by the smoke and falling burnt debris.
Service at 10, and all the shutters were open and the front doors were closed. And the wind had shifted and the smoke was just coming billowing in. Everybody came out of the church.
Fire crews were seen monitoring the scene. They won't be venturing into the morass to fight the fire and will therefore allow the blaze to burn itself out. The teams are monitoring properties along the Norman Manley Boulevard in case flames blow in their direction. Morass are important for the role they play in flood protection and removal of nutrients from water sources before they deposit into seas. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.